Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This week, we're continuing the test management series with Microsoft Project, and this week I'd like to show you how to create a template from a file. This is one of my recommendations as a best practice. If you have common projects that have the exact same structure, instead of recreating the wheel every single time, why don't we create a template that we can start from? However, I'm going to encourage you not to use real people in the assignments. What we're going to do is we're going to create some generic resource names and then assign them to those tasks. And then, spoiler alert, next week I'm going to show you how to swap out those generic resources for real people. This gives you a little bit more flexibility in creating your template. Let's go to the resource sheet view. Notice that there aren't any actual people here. They're generic resource names. I'm going to add a social media expert. And then go back to the Gantt chart view. I can replace any of the tasks with that social media expert. Now that I've established my standard template, we want to save this as a template from the current file. The first thing I'm going to do is save it in a templates folder that I've created. So here's a best practice. I'm going to go back out to SharePoint. And in my sales and marketing team, I have a templates library that I've created. And I've synchronized this to OneDrive. This now makes this library available to me in my File Explorer window. When I go to save the template, I'm going to save it here. Let's go to File and Save As. And I'm going to browse my computer. In Windows Explorer, let's expand the Contoso group. Here's my Sales and Marketing Templates library. And then I'm going to change the file type. Instead of just being project, we're going to save it as a project template. And then click Save. When you save it as a template, there are certain values that you can save with the file itself, or it will leave it blank. Depending on what you've already put in the file, you can select the checkboxes here for what you'd like to include. And then click Save. A Microsoft project file has an extension of MPP. Notice at the top I now have Marketing Plan .mpt, Microsoft Project Template. I'm going to close this one. The template is now available in the template library. The next time I need to create a marketing campaign plan, from Microsoft Project, select Open, navigate to the template library, select Project Templates, select my marketing plan, and click Open. Because it is a template, it will not let me save over the top of this file. When I click the Save button, it forces me to save as. Now I can navigate to where I want to save the file to and create the new project. And then click Save. That's my tip for this week. Creating a template and saving it to a template library where anybody in the marketing team would be able to use and repurpose that exact same template. Next week, we're going to continue this series. I'm going to show you how to replace these generic resource names with real people that will be assigned these different tasks. In the meantime, check out these exciting events that we have coming up. Until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.